guys, it's another vlog day.
No, let's not just short on your vlog.
I just oh my gosh, I need some new clothes. Oh my gosh, so it's another
As the shirt we put on, just grab and go.
comfortable. Alright guys, so we are in Otorius at the moment. We have some business to conduct today. Quite a busy day for us today, so we're going to do what we gotta do. We're in the town of Otorius as usual because we're not going nowhere else really. So man, they just jump on the car.
Which one?
That ballad man.
It's okay.
Feel the car, you never feel the car, that's Rocco just now. Alright, and so guys, we'll let's see how interesting our day can get today. And yeah, hope that you guys like this vlog. Comment down below. Subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet. Yeah. But this is a one way.
No, drive.
What's just coming around with yourself? Because anyway, you take care of the pass yourself. We're out there road. You want to walk here? Alright guys, so let's go. Come on. Sun hot. Alright, so Kim went back to the car because he left the documents in the car and we need them to start out the business. So yeah, how have you guys been? Like, talk to us, let us know what's up with you guys and all of that. I was planning to do it's a popular video that's going on around now. It's like I ate only yellow foods for 24 hours. I think that's a cool challenge. If you guys want to see us do that, please comment down below and let us know. I think it will be extremely fun for us to actually try that challenge. So if you guys would want to see that, just leave a comment down below and allow us to know. And yeah, suggest video ideas down below guys. We are up for the suggestions and so forth. Yeah, so you guys can allow us to know. Yeah, anything else, I'll tune in back with you guys and allow you guys to know what's pop.
Day done already?
The day done. It's now
12.
Yeah, 12. Alright guys, so I want you to check out this watch. Like, yeah,
Millions.
guys, I need you guys to go and check these watches out on Instagram. I'm going to put the Instagram name on the screen for you guys to go and check them out. These watches are like luxury watches and they are not for luxury prices. Luxury watches that are not luxury prices, because they look how they're nice and chic and clean. Nobody can tell me nothing. Yeah, and they have different colors. These are not the only colors, and these are not the only bands as well. these are not the only bands, so you can go ahead, guys, and check them out. We have great things to come with them as well, so you guys can go and check them out for now until we can give you guys more information about it and things. So yeah, I love this watch. Honestly, it just made me feel luxurious, rich, and nice. As I say, millions, 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 yeah, $1 million.
Okay.
Came by the fart. No, not the fart. I said my puff. Don't do that. Because me gonna fight that much. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys in the next. Not ugly.
How about this?
It can work. It look padded and soft. So don't put it on, see if you.
One in game one day.
How you feel?
See, I can work around this one night. Alright, I can relax. You know, straight. That I think the new one and next one to straight the place, guys. So
The rest of them I see him. I see him price. See one for 20% off. How was that?
when I broke up.
Oh, it broke. See the lead. See the lead.
You were pretty one of them. Not the best was.
You have hand. You look comfortable. Let me feel it. You comfortable, man. So in our favorite store, Bashco, looking at a few things that we would want. Okay, Ketcha, I know this is the you want.
Something like that at first.
This is the you want. I need a bad because no, I'm telling you. What about probably your don't fall. No, but you don't have yours, so if you put them and the monitors, them would have put this side. No, but I said size 6 now. Oh. Because the one we have now, the they're cute. The babies. I love Bashco. I love Bashco. I just love coming here. Even if I don't have to buy nothing, just to come in here, go look. It's just so nice. This is one of them right now, but in a bathroom.
You can give me an iPhone.
The culture is so soft and nice. Oh. How much is this?
The same side of KFC, the same side of KFC.
Look how much the culture
There's no
can
beside KFC.
agree. Agree and nobody soft.
Very
Very comfortable.
Broad Puerto Rican hat, you know, man. You see, two black there, you man laugh, you know, man. There's absolutely, I say, my man, shoot.
People don't need that when they come in and drive through.
I record this feel like this, man. They come here to come vice.
The place hot, man.
You see now?
Alright guys, so we decided to stop at Little Duns River. Met up with Kim's cousin, Tebes. So we're just gonna chill down there. Enjoy the little afternoon.
So they must say that. Alright?
Which by step there, that mean one more. Where step there? Because they claim to say them build step. If you go down here, I see it. want VIP spot? Come on, there's a VIP spot apparently. Apparently, if you want me to sit down up there, so $500. See them face? So cool and nice over here. Bugs here. Alright, so we decided to come over the other side. Oh god, over here is so cool and nice. Not even fair. You might have a vibes over here and thing too. Yeah.
What maybe? Not even for me.
One man come over.
Me a come down next week. So next week about when you qualify.
Come on. Woo! Later. Cam. Yeah, I feel like. Alright, so we just made it to our next stop of the day, and we will be going for a viewing somewhere. And then after that we don't have nothing much to do. Probably go chill and discover Bay Beach. And because it's kind of early, I just to 3 or 3 o'clock yet, so the day is still young, still have time to relax and do a lot more. So let's see where we go from here again. Yeah, so today is a good day, accomplishing a lot. Alright guys, so we just completed all the viewings that we were supposed to go to. It was a task, so we just sitting in the car. Can turn off the engine please? Yeah, so we up by Naranda plant at the moment because my cousin, Kim's cousin went to collect something over here, so we're up here relaxing and chilling until he gets back. So I think this is where we're going to end this vlog because it has been a long day. So if you guys really and truly like this vlog, if you guys like us, if you guys like these vlogs, just ensure that you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. You must be subscribed in order to follow up with us, and just leave a comment down below
If you make it so far.
if you have made it this far into the video. And yeah, so we'll see you guys next time. Continue staying tuned to us because we decided that we're going to try as best as possible to make more content, make more videos, because you guys always want content. We're gonna put try to put our best foot forward where that is concerned. So I hope that you guys really appreciate these vlogs. Go and watch them, share them with your friend people, make your friend and your friend them know say we are YouTubers with the videos and thing. So I'll see you guys in our next video. Say bye, Cam. Bye.
Take care. See you. We love you.
We love you.